Hi, it's me, Lois, and welcome to my channel, Lois Codes, where I talk about coding, finances, and really just everything else I'm learning on my journey into programming. You might have seen some job postings that ask for a computer science degree. Do you really need one? The short answer is no, not really. And the longer answer, well, we're actually going to discuss that today. Let's begin. First, let's understand what computer science is in relation to our goal of getting into programming. Computer science is the study of computers and computing, which includes their theoretical and algorithmic application, hardware and software, and processing data. That's math. This does not strictly mean that it can all be done on a computer. You can still do all of this stuff with a pen and paper. But when you need to compute something, it's easier if you have a computer. That makes computer science a very diverse major, with disciplines and branches ranging in the study of algorithms, data structures, and design patterns, computer and network design, modeling data and information processes, computer graphics, AI, and you guessed it, web development. So what does that mean for our pursuit into programming? Well, you definitely need to know some common algorithms and design patterns. In fact, as you progress through your programming journey, or even as you're transitioning into software development, you've probably already came across a few algorithms or design patterns and used them in your application without even knowing it. In fact, according to a Stack Overflow survey conducted February 2020, with 65,000 people responding, of those respondents, only 62% of them have a computer science degree. Almost 10% of them have some kind of engineering degree, and almost 10% of them have a fine arts or social science degree. So when we add all of that stuff up, about 28% of people who responded to this survey either have a non-engineering degree or no degree at all. But don't get me wrong, there are benefits to having a computer science degree. Depending upon your ambitions, you might actually want to pursue a CS degree, though you may not have the time or the money to do so. That's okay, because there are actually plenty of resources out there that are self-paced and free. Open Source Society University is on GitHub with a nice list of repos that offer self-taught education. The computer science repo lists the curriculum and courses pulled from different learning sites. These courses are the equivalent to the courses for a CS major. Some courses may require payment for assignments, tests, or projects to be graded, but they may offer financial aid. Siler.org University offers 100% free and self-paced CS education that can result in a certificate. What is also great is that you can get college credit for the courses, which means if you want to go back to school, you don't have to retake and pay for those courses. So that's our long answer. With roughly 28% having a non-engineering, non-computer science degree, and our ability to learn the concepts on our own in order to fulfill the position of developer, we don't really need a computer science degree unless we want to do it. What we need is to have the skills, the dedication, and the perseverance to fulfill the position. Well, that's it for me. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again. Strong.